वेलकम टू बलूच स्कॉलरशिप कॉर्नर। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल का बटन दबाएं ताकि हर आने वाला स्कॉलरशिप का इंफॉर्मेशन आप लोगों को आसानी से हासिल हो सके। जो इसी तरह आप लोगों के लिए मैं हर आने वाला नया स्कॉलरशिप के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन बनाता रहूँगा, आप लोगों को उसका नोटिफिकेशन आसानी से हासिल हो सके। कॉर्नर टुडे आई एम गोना टेल यू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ स्कॉलरशिप इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द इंटर्नशिप USA full funded. LPI Summer Internship 2021 United States of America fully funded. What is this and what's for? I will tell you each and everything, and I will provide the scholarship link under the description. LPI Summer Internship. You can read what is this. Here are the full details, and I will tell you that how to apply. LPI Summer Internship 2021 details. Country United States of America. Program location Austin, USA. Internship is for 10 weeks. Internship type fully funded. Application deadline 23rd November 2020. Internship field and majors. The following fields are prepared to LPI Summer Internship: engineering, computer science, physical or natural science, mathematics. These are prepared field, but all eligible students can apply for this internship program. LPI internship benefits. What are the benefits of LPI internship? A spend of $7,300 will be provided. Air ticket for the program, travel expenses up to $500. Accommodation during the internship program. Eligibility criteria. What are the eligibility criteria for this internship? Candidate belonging from any country can apply for this internship. Domestic students can also apply for this internship program. Applicant must be available for 10 weeks for this program. No IELTS TOEFL is required for this internship program. This is the special offer that no IELTS is required. Candidate must have an excellent academic record. LPI internship timeline. Application deadline is 23rd November 2020. Selection emails. You can get email by if you get selected, you can get email on 15th March 2021. Program will begin 7th June 2021. LPI conference 11th August 2021. Last day of program 13th August 2021. You must apply. It is the golden opportunity for you. Application deadline, I have already told that 23rd November 2020, so don't be too late. How to apply? This is the official link. Let's visit the link, and also I will tell you how to apply, what you need to fill the form. This is the official page of summer internship program. You can see apply application requirement. You can click apply requirement. Now you need to find the online application form. You can see here you will need to apply using online application form. Let's click here. What you need to fill, all the information are below. First of all, you need to provide contact information. First name, middle name, last name, primary email address, confirm primary email address, school email address, primary phone number, secondary phone number, permanent address, street number 2, city, state, province, region, zip, postal code, country, and address during the school summer. If you have different address, you can provide this. That time you at school time you have the different address, you can provide it here. If it's another, yes. If it's the same, then yes. If it's not the same, then no. And you can select street number 1, street number 2, city, the same procedure, state, province, zip code, country. Now scholastic information, university, class, grade point, current major, spring semester, end date, total undergraduate credit hours, earned applicant degree. Have you applied for admission to graduate school? If yes, then yes. If no, then select no. Areas of interest, you can select 3 areas of interest here. At most 3. Let's check it out. The internship type, you can check yes or no. Biographical information, you can provide biographical information completely here, and please provide a brief biographical sketch, you can provide also here. You can read this and fill out this form completely. Provide a brief summary of which you have to participate in this internship program. You should provide a briefly information about this internship, why you want to join it. What local resources do you have? For example, laptop, internet, what you people have, you should provide information also here in this box. English reference, is your native language is English? If yes, then click yes. If no, then click no. Now you need a recommendation letter. You need 3 recommendation by your previous institute, by your professor or assistant professor. You should provide first name, email address, second reference email address, third reference email address. They will get an email, they will fill the information about you, and they will recommend you for this internship. Citizenship, are you a citizenship of USA? If yes, then yes. If no, then select no. Second, citizenship, the same process. It's very easy. Gender, date of birth, race, ethnicity, yes or no, select yes or no. And select one more, the following races: American, Indian, Asian. If you're Asian, select Asian. If you're American, then select American. US, the complete detail, you can read it. And finally, I acknowledged, and check out both and submit the application. Your application will be submitted, then you will receive the email the selection day. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more information about scholarship, internships, and etc.